We upload a variety of chiropractic adjustment videos to educate our viewers on the health benefits of chiropractic care. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Okay, I'm going to start off on the left side. So your head is good, nice and loosey-goosey here. I'm just going to use my fingers just like the other ones. We're going to follow your breath, and at the end of your breath, we push in that direction like that, okay? Shouldn't be that much different from when you do it. Okay, gentle breathing. Good. Good, nice soft breath. Good, one more. Good.
Oh my god, that feels so weird. That feels so weird. That feels so weird, like, I don't know.
Okay, nice and gentle breathing, just like the other ones. Just fine. Let me test first and just see where we're at here. Good, Miss Super Flexible USA. Here we go. We'll do the right side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good, this is all at the bottom. Okay, we're going to adjust it way down here, just like the other ones. I'm following your breath, and then we're pushing like that, okay? Okay, good. You're doing fantastic. All you have to do is breathe. Good, just like that. Good. Let it all go.
That wasn't as bad as that.
So I got the one at the very bottom, which is really hard to crack on your own. Let's just, and I think that's all of it. Let's let this sink here. This should have been all of it.